Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my absolute favorite dips, buffalo chicken dip. It's a great appetizer and it's perfect for parties. So let's get started. You will need 2 cups of rotisserie chicken, 8 ounces of cream cheese. You want to make sure that it's softened, 1 cup of buffalo wing sauce, 1 cup of ranch, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Preheat your oven to 375. Next, we're going to pour the wing sauce and ranch into the bowl with the shredded chicken. Then add your softened cream cheese, and you'll also add in 1 cup of your shredded cheese. Now mix it up until it's the consistency that you like. Once it's all mixed up, add your mixture to a baking dish, then top it with the rest of the shredded cheese. Now it's ready to go into the oven. Let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's bubbling. When you take it out of the oven, it should look like this. Now all you've got to do is mix it up one last time and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, buffalo chicken dip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another dip.